Hello there. So I'm going to do my quick review here on K18. I highly recommend you watch this before you buy this. So I'll keep this short and sweet. I love K18. It is better than Olaplex in my opinion. It's really helped my bleached hair. I'm growing my hair back out natural, so it's just really helped keep it just better. And I don't need to get any more haircuts, like major haircuts due to damage. So yeah, this works in two different ways on your hair strand, and Olaplex only works in one different way. So this just is better in my opinion and most people's opinions. So the two things, first thing, an instruction, if you did not know this, when you put it in your hands, you don't want to immediately just like put it in your hair. You want to go like this and make sure that it is pasty white before you put it in. So that can take up to like 30 seconds. So remember to do that. That's a huge step. It activates the product, makes your hair so much softer, and it's just overall what you need to do. And I don't know why they did not put that in their instructions. Also, see this little hole right here? Yeah, well, I noticed it the other day. So here's an incense. I'm sticking it in here, okay? Excuse my nails. And pull it out. So it is literally only half the amount that we think it is. That's bull crap, and I think they should change that if they're gonna sell this for 75 bucks. So there's my review. Honestly, I would buy this again though, but I'm really gonna like try to reach out to K18 and see if they can, I don't know, change the way that they design this. So there's my review. Thanks, bye-bye.
If you're like me and you love dyeing your hair and changing it up, honestly, over time it damages your hair. And this K18 leave-in repair hair mask is absolutely fantastic. I've done some things to my hair, and I'm telling you, this stuff works fantastic to help with the split ends, breakage, all the things. So it comes in a little pump bottle. I honestly thought the bottle would be bigger, but you honestly do not need a lot, and it will start repairing your hair in minutes. So highly recommend.
I bleached my hair and it was pretty straight and dry, and then after one session of the K18 I have now waves, so I definitely recommend.